importance of the day.
नमस्कार सगळ्यांना देवबरोबर माझे दृष्टीने आमचे राज्याचे समाज कल्याण खात्याचे मंत्री आणि हे मान्यवर आणि सगळे उपस्थित लोक आणि आमचो स्टाफ आज उमेद दिसता तुमचे पार्टिसिपेशनाक पळोवन ह्या कार्यक्रमाक तुम्ही हाजिरी लावन दाखयले की कळवळ आनी जे ड्रग एब्यूज मॅनेज म्हणटा पळय तो गोंयच्यान पयस दवरपाक जाय. सो वी शूड हो इंटरनॅशनल ड्रग एब्यूज इंटरनॅशनल ड्रग एब्यूज आनी इलिसीट ट्रॅफिकिंग अशें म्हणून उलयतात आनी म्हाका उमेद जाता आज ह्या कार्यक्रमाक चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून आमचे बालाजी मंत्री समाज कल्याण खात्याचे बाब सुभाष फडणवीस सर तुमकां मनगळांतल्यान येवकार दिता. आय extend my warm welcome to our secretary Sri E. Vallavan, who has been a support and who is supporting for us in organizing this event. I also welcome Mr. C. George, who has come all the way from Delhi, and it's a matter of pride for us that even the central government is taking cognizance of our efforts. Well, I welcome you, sir. I also welcome Avisha, who has come all the way from Delhi from the ministry, and we are very happy to receive you over here. You extend my warm welcome. I welcome the press and the reporters who are here to and also NGOs and especially the press who are it is their duty to cover this initiative that we are taking, and through them only we can spread the message. I also welcome the participants of this flash mob, especially the students and the teachers of Solarvitas High School. And last but not the least, I'm very happy to have my own staff of the department. And let us hope that we take some message from here and we spread it to each and every local corner of Goa. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. I would request Ma'am Pradnya to come ahead and present memento to Staff Secretary, sir. Thank you, sir, for being part of the event. I now request Ms. Sandhya to kindly present memento to Ma'am Amisha, who is the State Coordinator from Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us for the event. Okay, we shall now proceed with one of the most important part of today's program, that is the inaugural. Like every year on this day, our inaugural is done in a very special way. That is, we provide our volunteers, participants and the esteemed chief guests with blue balloons which are released up in the sky. I request our volunteers Usha and Darshan to kindly hand over the blue moment. So before we start with the final inaugural, I request Sir Subhash to kindly address the audience on importance of today.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students and teachers and all who have come here to collaborate with us, all the NGOs and the participants. We have amongst us the Secretary for Social Welfare Department, Mr. E. Vallavan, our guest and our guide, Mr. C. George, who is the Under Secretary from Central Government, who have come all the way, Madam Amisha, and our own Director, Mr. Ajit Panchwadkar, Social Welfare Director, all the teachers from Manovikas and all other schools, all the students from Manovikas and other schools, all the NGOs who are collaborating with us, and my dear friends. सगळ्यांक परत एक फावटी मनगाळांतल्यान उर्बेवरीत माय मोगाचो योगदान आयज आमी खऱ्या अर्थान एक जागृती मुवमेंट करतात, अवेअरनेस करतात, सेन्सिटायझेशन करतात. इट इज अगेन्स्ट दी ड्रग्स. यू नो दिस टुडे इज अ इंटरनॅशनल डे अगेन्स्ट ड्रग अब्यूज अँड इलिसिट ट्रॅफिकिंग. म्हणजेच आमचे ड्रग्साचो वापर जावपाक जायना. ड्रग्साचे इफेक्ट्स आणि दुष्परिणाम आमच्या मानवाचेर जातात, आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर जातात, आमच्या तरणाट्यांचेर जातात. आणि ह्या सगळ्याक ह्या ड्रग ट्रॅफिकांतल्यान, ड्रग एडिक्शनांतल्यान तातूंतल्यान आमकां भायर काडपाक जाय. दिस इज द मोस्ट वल्नरेबल एज when you cannot decide, you know, what is good and what is bad. Because of that, we have decided to have students involved in this, so that in their young minds, आता ह्या वयाचे जेन्ना ती टीनेजर असतात तेन्ना तांकां हे सगळे अवेअरनेस, सेन्सिटायझेशन जावपाक जाय. and when they are themselves involved against the drug trafficking or against the drug addiction, that would be a great achievement. And only these people, these youngsters can guide all the society, because they are going to be the pillars of the next generation or the youth of this country. You know, India is a youngest country wherein 65% of our population is below 35 years of age. And all these youngsters, you know, they are very dynamic. They have all the potential, they have all the capacity, they have all the intelligence, they have all the knowledge, they are creative minded, they have all these things. But we have to keep ourselves away from the drug. Then only we can perform better and get our country towards development. आम्ही विकसित भारत म्हणून पळयतात. 2047 आमचे प्रधानमंत्री म्हणतात भारत हो विकसित देश आसपाक जाय आणि जगात भितर सगळ्यात श्रेष्ठ देश आसपाक जाय. जगात भितर सुपर पॉवर जावपाक जाय, एक आर्थिक महासत्ता जावपाक जाय, एक फायनान्शियल पॉवर जावपाक जाय. आणि ती कॅपॅसिटी, ते पोटेन्शियल आमच्या भुरग्यांमध्ये आसा. आणि येणाऱ्या 25 वर्षांच्या भितर आम्ही दाखवून दितले की भारत ही एक आर्थिक महासत्ता आसा. We could be a most advanced country and most dynamic country in this world. And it all depends on our youngsters, how we use their knowledge, their talent in creating this kind of achievement. म्हणून जर वेळ गेला सगळ्या भुरग्यांकडेन मागता. It is up to you now, because we have also created, we have also आम्ही एक निर्मिती केला, प्रोड्यूस केला असा एक फिल्म by ज्योती कुंडळेकर, the producer of the film. काळी वाट म्हणून ते दाखले. आणि हे जे फिल्म आसा ते आम्ही आमच्या सगळ्या कॉलेजींनी, आमच्या सगळ्या हायर सेकंडरीनी आणि आमच्या सगळ्या स्कुलांनी व्हरून दाखयतले की ड्रग्साचे आमचो शिरकाव कसो जाता, आमचे मदीं कशें येतात, कोण घेवन येतात आणि कोण ट्रॅफिकिंग करतात, आणि आमी कशें फसतात आणि आमचें आयुश्य कशें उद्ध्वस्त करतात, हे आमकां ह्या फिल्मांतल्यान दाखयतले. आणि ताच्या पयलीं तुमी जे स्टेट फेअर केल्ले आसा किंवा तुमी जे रस्ता नाट्य केल्ले आसा हे संपूर्ण आमच्या किनारी भागांनी वतले आणि शहरांनी वतले. आणि तातूंतल्यान एक आमी सेन्सिटायझेशन अवेअरनेस करतले की ड्रग्स हाच्या पासून आमच्या तरणाट्यांक पयस दवरपाक जाय. आमी ड्रग्साक केन्नाच हात लावचे ना. आणि जे कोणी ड्रग्सान फसलेले आसात तांकां परत एक फावटी कावन्सिलींग करतले, भायर काडटले. आणि ह्या सायकलीन भितर आमकां सहकार्य जाय. आमचे सगळे जे NGOs आसात, आमचे सगळे जे जागरूक नागरीक आसात, आमचे सगळे पालक आसात, आपल्या भुरग्यांचेर तांणी कशें लक्ष दिवपाक जाय, तांचेर कसले संस्कार करपाक जाय, तांकां कसले कल्चर दिवपाक जाय, तांच्या भितर मॉरॅलिटी कशी हाडपाक जाय, तांच्या मदीं नीतिमत्ता कशी हाडपाक जाय. आणि तांच्या भितर आशिल्ले जे पोटेन्शियल, कॅपॅसिटी, टॅलंट, क्रिएटिविटी हे बरे तरेन आमचे वापराक हाडपाक जाय. त्या खातीर हांव परत एक फावटी तुमचे सगळ्यांचे कौतुक करता. आय एप्रिशिएट एंड आय कॉन्ग्रॅच्युलेट एंड कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑल दोज स्टुडंट्स taking part in this act. I congratulate and congratulate, and I'm very much thankful and grateful for all the teachers who have produced them or who are in the process of getting all this street plays here. परत एक फावटी सगळे आदार सगळ्यांचे खूप मनापासून कौतुक करताना अभिनंदन करताना त्यांचे आभारी मानतात. देव बरे करू. जय हिंद.
Thank you, sir. It was very motivational. We also have members of ANC join us today. We had SP who was supposed to be part of today's program. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it. So we request Sir Sairaj, a representative from ANC, to kindly come ahead. I request Sandhya to hand over the memento to Sir. Thank you, sir, for your presence. We now shall proceed towards the left, wherein we will be releasing the balloons. I request our esteemed dignitaries and all our audience to kindly proceed towards the left as we begin to come to the end of the inaugural. I request Usha and Darshan to kindly hand over the balloons. Usha, Darshan, Ganesh, kindly take charge. All the audience kindly come towards the left.
सर माझ्या पुढे या तुम्ही. सुभाष सर पुढे या.
अभी काहीच कळचे ना तू घे So I will request the students to perform once again. They are having some issue with the music. So they will be performing once again the performance.
It's okay, guys. You have to do it again.
Back to your positions, everyone.